If you're looking to activate Credit Lock in Credit Karma, here's how to get started. Well, first, open the Credit Karma app on your smartphone or visit the Credit Karma website and log in with your account credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the credit protection section. This is where you can manage your credit lock settings. In the credit protection section, you'll see options to lock your credit reports with the major credit bureaus. To lock your credit with TransUnion, click on the lock button next to TransUnion. For Equifax, click on the lock button next to Equifax. Please note that Experian Credit Lock is not available through Credit Karma. You will need to contact Experian directly to manage your credit lock with them. After clicking with the lock button, you'll be prompted to confirm your action. Once you have it confirmed, your credit report with the selected bureau will be locked, preventing unauthorized access. Remember, locking your credit helps protect you from identity theft by restricting access to your credit report. If you need to apply for a new credit or background check, you can temporarily unlock your credit through the same process. By setting up and actively managing your credit lock in Credit Karma, you can enhance your credit security and have more control over who accesses your credit information.